I did actually have something to talk about, specific.
So you just said I did that, I did that, I remember I da da do do do.
What is this? It's an apple. You wanted an apple. Some pain.
Clippity clop.
In the groinal area.
What?
That's totally a word.
It's not a word.
I know. I do. I level English. I can't talk.
Apparently.
I level English. I'm serious.
We're losers.
Channing Tatum. Katie, that's unnecessary. It's not. It's very necessary.
Excuse me.
Baby with the Converse on. You fever like I never ever known. You're just a product of loveliness. Oh God, we've got a headache. Oh, you really turn me on. Wobble wobble. Cookies. But I wanna be silly.
I was petrified, kept thinking I could never live without you by my side.
The car.
But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong.
It's stopping anyway.
And I learned
There's still a person that can see us.
to bring us back from outer space. Goodbye, and I grumble.
That's the way the cookie crumbles.
I live.
I got all my love to give. I will survive. I will survive. Did he just left his dog? Oh my God!
He's getting back in the car.
Is he going with it?
What the fuck?
It's the part where he drives away and we're just like...
Yeah, I will be amazed if he does that.
People around here are so weird! Time for some music. I need you more than any magpie. Doggy! A bit like a cobra. It's a bit like a cobra.
Yeah, you know when they put projectiles in? So there's venom, not saliva.
I did just spit, yeah.
My face.
Trotty, trotty, trotty. Oh, it's really cute. Oh, pin.
The party line.
Aww. Oh, Dracula. Actually, if there's any Americans watching this, I doubt it, but if there is, do you say cock in your country? Because we can't imagine saying cock with an American accent.
We do think that it sounds a bit weird.
Cock. Cock. Because, like, dick sounds fine. Dick.
You just said dick.
Dick. Dick. I like a dick.
I think that might be slightly racist.
Yeah, I'll take that out. No, to be honest though, penis sounds weird in American accent as well. Penis. Oh. What's another word for a phallus?
I'm from Dallas and I got a phallus. Winky, wang.
Oh yeah, winky.
Winky.
Wang. Wang.
You're like a baby.
Wang. I used to be up drunk, but
No!
no.